Hey, we're back. All right, so what we want to do is make this look nice and round up here. We kind of marked it with a 5-gallon bucket and kind of rough cut it with a cutoff saw. We're going to come in with a flapper wheel and make it real nice. Same thing down here. We're going to round these. Do this side, then we'll flip it over to the other side. And then we'll be ready to weld, but we got to get the RV back from the service, and we have to get the thing all bolted up, and we got to get our tire and wheel mounted so we get the right height position. But for now, we're going to do this. So, PPE. Oh, crap. All right, got our PPE. Just start out. All right, so there we go. We got it rounded off nice so you won't hurt yourself on the corners. Same thing down here, all rounded off nice. So from here, we're going to clamp it up to our rod and work on getting ready to weld. Okay, there you go. We got that together. You can see what that looks like. Got that. It's where the square weld in between. We'll gusset this side and it'll fold towards the other side. At this point, we don't know how long to cut that, so stay tuned. We'll get the RV back on the driveway, start fitting this. Hey, we're back. We did some stick welding on this part. We added these sleeves for strength. You can kind of see what that looks like. All right, we're going to clean up those welds soon. It is quite warm right now because we just welded it. Hadn't stick welded in years, so we bought some sticks. We did some stick welding. The video didn't come out with the sparks and what have you, but we're going to try to do that on the next welds. We'll try to get you some video welds. Okay, with the sleeve back on. Yeah. Hey, back in the garage. Look what we got behind us here. We've got our tire carrier project working for our RV. So RV's back on the drive, so we can get back on this. The rim, it's out at the tire shop getting a tire on it. So by the end of the week, we'll have that. We'll figure out how to mount that up above. Take a look at how we fixtured this up. All right, we've got our 2 magnetic squares. That's keeping us this way. And you can see we've got good on 0 there. We're also using our level here. So you can see our bubble, and we got a pointer up here. You can see we had a little bit of issue, so we did shim it to the table over there to keep it square. We did check the level on this. So we're going to go change into our coveralls, get ready to weld. Again, we are going to stick weld this one. Going old school on the helmet. Don't know why I can't see the weld as well with my auto glass, so I think the auto glass is dying. All right. Okay. That's got a pretty good tack there. Try to get another one on this side. Okay. That's pretty good. Pretty good work there. Here. Let's take that. Whoa! Okay. Take that. Let's hang this here so it's cool. Got it welded on there pretty good. So what we're going to do is we're going to stop you here and we're going to go check it out on the RV and test the fit. All right. Hey, there we go. That looks pretty square with the RV. It's pretty damn good. All right, so that's straight. This way we look we're a little wobbly with this way, but that's in the hitch. We got to tighten that up eventually. So we'll be tightening this up. What we'll do is we'll weld a little on that pipe and grind it down in there to get rid of that wobble. So we'll take care of that. That's this joint right here. And other than that, we look pretty good. So I think we're going to tack it on the other side and start doing some welding. Okay, so our plan is to get some beads in here and in here. Then we can take some of the bolts out and get some other welds in there. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's see if we can learn to stick weld. Just starting is the hard part. The welding part's actually very good. Okay. Woo-hoo. This out of here. This one messed up because we touched it. All right, so we gotta get some bead in there. Get some better glasses on. All right, there it is welded up. Got to clean it up a little bit and it'll be ready for paint. Don't forget, like and subscribe, post notifications on. When we get the tire back, we'll show you how we're going to make the top part.